Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today with this video we start a new adventure. We mount this very little and wonderful car. Before start mounting, I would like to share with you the quality of the packaging, what's inside. It's not a real unboxing, it's a walk over the contents of the box. I'm astonished from the quality, from the quantity, and for the precision that we will check during the mounting phase. So now, first of all, I have opened all the envelopes, A, B, C, D, E, X, and we take a quick view at the content. You will be surprised from the dimensions, microscopic, and the quantity and the quality. Let's see what's inside the box. We start with bag A. In bag A you find the axles, the servo horn. Look at the size, very little. These parts are to finish the axle to the wheels. These are the metal axles, the transmission shaft. These are to the wheels, and two of these has the bearing, 4-ball bearing. These are pinions. Look at the size of this, fantastic, and a bunch of bearings. So this is bag A. Bag B, these are all the links. Bag C, we have the suspensions, dampers, motor mount, springs, transmission, more bearings, and uniball for mounting all these parts. Bag D, the body, wonderful body. Metal parts for the body, wheels, very nice wheels, foam, and tires. In this scale, tires with foam is astonishing. And this is bag E. Bag X. Bag X, we have a very nice work. Look, all these little bags with the content designed on the label. Wonderful. There are a lot of screws, because you have seen we have screws here, and there are a lot of screws. Tools, double tape, adhesive tape, Allen key. This is for hexagon, I think, and screwdriver. This is the servo that I bought, and these are instructions. The instructions manual. Okay. Also, this is very well done. Okay. All the parts, all the screws, and then you start mounting. And this is what we are going to do. It looks like a real one, a bigger one. About the engine, I use oh yes, where is it, the engine? Perhaps in the radio. Okay, and this is it for first box. Second box is the radio. The second box we have to open is this one, the radio. Here we have something more, not only the radio. And these stickers are nice, but a little bit larger. Radio instructions, and inside we have this, and this is we have to look inside. Radio, receiver with a lot of slots. We can attach, we can drive a lot of things. In this bag we have the sound unit. This is the circuit for, there's a switch, and here in this one we have LED. This is always for radio programming. No, absolutely no instructions about electronics, how to use electronics. This is a problem. And I have also discovered that I have not the engine, the motor. So we have to buy a motor. So, you have seen the content of the boxes. It's a very good model, but you have to buy apart a lot of things. I thought that it was supplied with a standard engine. I know there are 3 types of engine with increasing RPM, 200, 300, 400, 500, I don't remember well, but you can go on the I give you the link for this. And now I have to buy the motor, so it will be a little bit delayed. I can start mounting something. First of all, I will paint this and this. And in the meanwhile, I hope to receive the motor. I have to decide which kind of motor. Perhaps I will buy the middle one. We have 3, the middle one. In the medium stat virtus, they say. And I hope to do the right thing. By now, comments, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Up to the next. It will be a long journey. Today we have made this, painted the body, 2 layers of primer, Tamiya white primer, and 1 hand with some final touches of Umbral green brush. Then we have made wheels in 3 colors, alu, green and chrome, and we have prepared the work. We have learned something about this wonderful model. the thing we have learned is that it is not a toy, it's a serious model, and the little dimension will be the difficulty in the assembling. So next videos about assembling, and it's, as I already told, it's a discovery for me. It's the first time. Comments, like and subscribe as usual. Please subscribe. I want to reach 1 million subscribers. Hopefully. And wish you all the best. Now is 10 days before Christmas, this very strange Christmas, and you will see this video after Christmas, but anyway, I make you my best wishes to you all. Stay safe and up to the next. Bye bye from Nani RC.